So I'm over here at the leased property. It's only a couple hundred yards down from my field, and I planted. This is the bigger part of the field. There's a back field and a small field over here, and then I just threw a little bit in right here. I no-tilled this in. It's okay on this side, and it progressively gets shorter, I'm guessing because of the amount of water. The corn's not beautiful over here by no means, but it should produce some ears. It's so wet, you can see water laying right here. It's actually a bit of a hill, but it really needs like a trench or something going down to the low area to get the water to run off. It was just so wet in here, and in that spot right there that's bare, it was just so wet and muddy that I couldn't even plant it. But overall, there's corn there. It looks like a cornfield. It's like I said, we're gonna fly the drone now so we can see what it looks like this year. Next year will probably be beans. My other field down the road, as you can see in this video, looks way better this year with plowing and tilling, plowing and disking. And the corn looks so much better down there and fuller than it did last year. There's some turkeys back there on the trail. But he just brush hogged around all this. They hunt over here a lot. So let's fly the drone. Back field of corn. It did pretty well.